Hello, how are you? Gary Williams here. Welcome back to The Kitchen. Got a lovely song today that's been requested by Gayle Hodt, who is celebrating her birthday today. Many happy returns, Gayle. Lovely song you've chosen. It's a new one for me. I mean, I know of it, but it's the first time I've sung it, so. For you, there'll be no more crying. For you, the sun will be shining, and I feel that when I'm with you, it's all right. I know it's right. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. If you think this sounds familiar, this version, I mean, of course, it's a Fleetwood Mac song originally, but Eva Cassidy recorded it beautifully. This is the backing track to her version, and in fact, I'm thinking about putting this on the next album. I think it's such a beautiful song. What do you think? You can leave me a comment if you think it's a keeper or not. Do you know, I saw Fleetwood Mac twice on their last tour. I love them. To you, I'll give the world. To you, I'll never be cold, 'cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's all right. I know it's right. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before, like never before, like never before. Beautiful song. Thank you, Gail. Happy birthday. Have a wonderful day. And everybody, I will see you tomorrow, here, tomorrow, same time, same place, for more Kitchen Cabaret. Take care.